go atomic, now!
Why? What's up?
It's Disastro. He's up to something sinister.
You mean Mr. Bubbles? Yeah, that looks pretty sinister.
You didn't see it, but I'm telling you, he gave me a look. One of those, you're going down looks.
Chill, dude. Bubbles wouldn't hurt a fly. Aww, see?
That cat is evil, and he's had it in for me since day one.
Dude, clam down. I don't need to hear about your stupid imaginary battles with the cat. All I want to do is get knuckle deep in some alien blaster IV.
You mean 4. Capital I and capital V means 4. 4!
Whatever. I got my cheese curls, I got my grape drink, and one pair of super absorbent adult underpants.
Wait, is that a diaper?
Maybe. I'm spending all day in my room, and you're going to leave Bubbles alone. Hey, not cool, AP.
Ah! You may have him fooled, but I'm on to you, cat. Don't eat me!
Hello. You're calling about my cat?
Yeah, the ad in today's paper.
The ad you saw in the paper. What?
Said I was pure evil.
No, Bubbles is not pure evil. Joey!
What's up? I'm in the middle of a cutscene and it won't let me pause.
Wait, is that a diaper? Doesn't matter. I don't want to know. What is your beef with Bubbles? Just because he tinkled on your toothbrush, that's no reason to get rid of him.
Did what?
It's not important. I'm gonna check on him. He's probably traumatized. Don't you go anywhere, mister.
What did you do, AP?
I'm just looking out for number 1 and number 2, in that order. Huh?
I can explain.
Oh, no. I might be able to forgive you, but just look at poor Bubbles. You're gonna make it up to him by taking him to... Free laser pointers! Here you go. Free laser...
I'll take that. Let's see. I'll set it to incinerate. Ah! One fried kitty coming up.
It's not a real laser, AP. It's a cat toy.
Boy, howdy! Welcome to the Wild Wild West, home of rootin' tootin' Sheriff Whiskers!
What is that?
That's the most adorable kitty pageant, and thanks to you, I have to enter Bubbles in it.
Adorable? It's nothing but a sideshow of stupid cats, demented costumes, and their twisted owners. Yeesh.
Dude, chill out.
Oh, I'll chill, all right. Right after we power up and send Disastro and this army of darkness here on a one-way trip to the sun.
Oh, who would say such a thing?
Enough! We are not powering up, and I do not want to hear another word about AP versus Disastro.
Fine.
I gotta go register Bubbles. Just stay out of trouble until I get back.
Ooh, I'm on to you, cat. Ah, my face! My beautiful face! I'm free! Get me out! Get me out!
Oh, that cat thinks he's people. Look at him, holding the bars like he's a little prisoner.
What kind of cat is that? A Yarndale?
I believe that's a fabric tabby.
Huh? Ah, what happened? What happened? Don't look at me! I'm a monster!
Dude, what happened? You're all covered in fur. And where's Bubbles? What did you do?
Nothing! That diabolical trickster trapped me in here right before he sprung himself. That cat is evil!
Pardon me? Is that your Fabby? What an adorable kitty cat.
Indeed. What's she like?
She's moody, stubborn, and has wicked gas. Come on, kitty. Say hello. Don't blow your cover, dude.
Me? Ow.
She's priceless. Oh, yes, you are. Oh my God! Hello, my fancy felines. Which one of you is going to fetch me the highest ransom when I catnap you? A rare fabric tabby? Soon you will be mine, Tabby.
Bubbles! Hey, Bubbles! Get your furry little self over here. Or don't. Hey, buddy, want a cat treat? Get off of me!
That's it, cat freaks. Get my good side. Hoo-ha! Ha! Who am I kidding? It's not like there's a bad one. That's new. Ah!
You're going to fetch me a pretty penny. Oh, who's a crabby Tabby? Don't want to play nice? Then it's time to hit the sack. It's gone! It's gone! Your Fabby! It just vanished! Like all my human friends.
AP, 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 AP!
Call your kitty all you want. You'll never find him.
Joey! Over here!
A talking Fabby? You're even more priceless than I thought. This is perfect.
Who are you supposed to be?
The name's Naughty Kitty, but you can call me Trouble.
Look, just give me my cat and I'll promise I'll go easy on you.
Never!
What's with the backflips? I mean, why wouldn't you just walk?
That's why. What's wrong? Cat got your tongue?
Come on, lady, just give me my ugly cat.
Hey, who you calling up?
No.
Then prepare to feel the hurt.
Oh, it's Naughty Kitty! Hide your valuables, everyone! And by valuables, I mean cats!
Wait, you steal cats?
I call it catnapping, and I only take the rare ones, not the run-of-the-mill uglies like that thing.
Hey, that's my cat! Also,
Great! I'll leave you to that one, and I'll take the Fabby.
no chance! The Fabby stays! Gotcha!
Time for this kitty to make the perfect getaway.
One fried kitty lady coming up.
Ah! It burns! It burns! It burns! Oh, wait, that's not even a real laser.
Took you long enough.
You're no Fabby, but you'll have to do. I don't suppose you talk? Time for this kitty to fly.
She grabbed Bubbles. We gotta go atomic!
But just look at how happy they seem together. Fine, but that cat totally owes me. It's atomic time!
Okay, lady, put the cat down. Slowly.
Is this slow enough for you?
Bubbles!
You did that on purpose! the cat dragged in.
This cat has 9 lives, and I'll spend all of them plotting my revenge.
Well, I think that's about enough cat puns for the day. Now let's hit that victory pose.
I was thinking victory poses.
What?